Today I'm going to show you how to make a Cafe Amour, amour being the French word for love. Now, we're going to start off with our basic coffee in a coffee mug, and our main ingredient is going to be a cognac. Now, cognac is a double distilled grape from the eau de vie of France, eau de vie meaning water of life, just for a little extra information for you. So we're going to do 2 parts of cognac, so let's go with an A count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, to 1 part of Amour. And then always top off your coffee drinks with a cherry, just for the appeal. Now, this is a cocktail that you can enjoy either after dinner or stand alone by itself on a cold day. So to all you bartenders and barflies out there, if you're looking to try something new, why not make it a Cafe Amour?